I started remote working in my early 20s so that I could surf. And as I got older, it was so that I could be present when my children were there. And the reasons changed, but ultimately they all boil down to being able to have options around where I spend my day and how I live my life.
My general feeling about remote work and the remote work world is that it is definitely the way of the future, and it's really the way of now, actually. And I think that almost any company with any kind of business model can look into going remote.
I believe that more businesses and more careers and more jobs will provide us with an ability to work from anywhere. A lot of employers to tap into talent that's anywhere in the world.
This is the beginning of the huge change that will basically change forever how the work is done, and we have a pleasure to be a part of this.
And I really think that this is going to be an event that people will put on their calendars and make a point to come to every year.